Good morning, sir. My name is Rani Impabros, first year BS Criminology student from Bravo Company. Compassion is deep awareness of and sympathy for the suffering of others, accompanied by a desire to elevate that suffering. It goes beyond simply feeling its suffering. Someone involves in active response to help and support those in need. Compassion is about connecting with others on an emotional level, understanding their pain, and showing kindness and empathy towards them. In essence, compassion, the ability to put oneself in another person, choose to see the world from their perspective and to respond with care and understanding. It involves being present for others, listening attentively to their struggles and offering a helping hand without judgment or expectation of anything in return. Compassion is about being a source of comfort, solace, and strength for those who are going through difficult times. In the English language, compassion is often described as a combination of empathy, kindness, and a willingness to act for the well-being of others. It is about recognizing the humanity in every individual, regardless of their background or circumstance, and treating them with a dignity and respect. Compassion is not limited to word of sympathy. It is demonstrated through action that show genuine care and concern for others. And today, fast-paced and often impersonal force cultivating compassion is more important than ever. It is foster a sense of community, foster understanding and acceptance, and promote a culture of kindness and generosity. Compassion is a powerful force that can bridge divided, heal wound, and bring people together in times of diversity. Practicing compassion benefits not only those who receive it but also those who give it. It has been shown to improve mental and emotional well-being, reduce stress, and increase feeling of happiness and fulfillment. By embodying compassion in our interaction with others, we contribute to creating a more compassionate and caring society. Cultivating compassion is a universal language that transcends cultural, religious, and societal boundaries. It is a fundamental aspect of what it means to be human, to care for and support one another in times of need, to show understanding and empathy, and to strive for a world where kindness and compassion are the guiding principles. In a world that can sometimes seem indifferent of harm, seem individual beacon of light, warmth and hope, and more compassionate, connected words. The world we live in today has been through a lot of things, from world war to epidemics, but one thing which remained constant throughout was resilience and kindness. Moreover, it was the spirit to fight back and help must be an essential and universal quality to make the world a better place. Through an essay on kindness, we will go through it in detail. Kindness is basically being polite, compassionate, and truthful. Every religion and faith teachers and followers to be kind. Most importantly, kindness must not limit to humans. but not also to every living creature. Even nature has its own way of showing kindness. For instance, the trees grow fruits for us and provide us with shade. One must not see kindness as a core value but as a fundamental behavioral element. When we can kind to your love, once you create a stable base. As people are becoming more self-centered today, we must learn kindness. We must try to integrate into ourselves. You might not know how a small act of kindness can bring about a change in someone's life, so be kind always. Compassion in its purest form is the ability to feel deeply with another being, to understand and share their pain, joy, and struggles as if they were own. It's a powerful force that transcends boundaries of species, culture, and personal experience. It's not just about feeling sorry for someone. It's about acting with kindness and empathy, driven by a genuine desire to elevate suffering and promote well-being. Compassion is not a weakness but a strength, a willingness which offer its own word, heart, and mind to the experience of their even these they are different even they are different from your own. It's about recognizing your shared humanity in choosing to act with kindness and understanding regardless of the circumstance. Inward, often driven by self-interest and competition, compassion reminds us that we are interconnected and that action have ripple effect on others. It's a powerful antidote to apathy and indifference, a beacon of hope that can inspire us to create a more just and compassionate world. Compassion is like a gentle breeze that soothes the soul and warms the heart. It's the art of listening without judgment, understanding without word, and embracing with kindness. Word and embracing with kindness is the visible traits that connect us all, reminding us of your shares humanity and the beauty of empathy. Compassion is a gift we give to others and ourselves. Nurturing sense of belonging and acceptance, it's about seeing the surface and recognizing the struggles and joys that make us we are is a silent language that speaking volumes, conveying love, understanding, and support without the need for words. In moments of darkness, compassion shines like a of light guiding us toward healing and connection. It's a source of strength that empowers us to reach out, lend of a helping hand, and make difference in someone's lives. It is a essence of humanity and the best a force that transcend barriers and bring ours closer together in a world that someone feels divided. It is essential for all of us to understand the value of kindness. Always remember, it does not cost anything to be kind. It may be a little compliment, or it can be a grand gesture. No matter how big or small, kindness always matters. Therefore, try your best to be kind to anyone around you.